Hi friends, good morning. This is Uma. I am currently working as senior chemistry lecturer in Sri Gurukula Vidyalayam College of Science, Kasipogga, Palasa Town, Srikakulam district and Andhra Pradesh state. Today I would like to explain part 15 of structure of organic molecules, which is subtopic of GOC, General Organic Chemistry. In part 15, we will see previous objective bits like JE and NEET based on planarity of molecules. Planarity of molecules. Previous JE and NEET objective bits. Okay. That is, in part 5 we will see previous JE and NEET bits based on planarity of molecules. That means part 15 is continuation for part 13 and 14. Okay, shall I move? First bit. Which of the following molecule is planar? Which of the following molecule is planar? First option, second option, third option, fourth option, all. Which of the following molecule is planar? Tell me, sir. Our condition what, sir? Molecule which have sp or sp2 or both. Clear? That molecule comes under planar molecule. Molecule which have sp hybridization or sp2 hybridization or both hybridization, that molecule comes under planar. It is a trick for planarity of molecule. That is case 1. Tell me, sir, what about this molecule? Carbon, 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 carbon. This is double bond carbon, sp2. This is also double bond carbon, sp2. This is double bond carbon, sp2. This is also double bond carbon, sp2. That is what, sir? sp2 hybridization. Single bond carbon, sp3. Double bond carbon, sp2. Triple bond carbon, sp. We know that. Clear? So in this molecule, all carbons are undergoes sp2 hybridization. That is, it is planar molecule. Clear? What about benzene? In benzene, each carbon has sp2 hybridization. Why, sir? Each carbon has double bond. Each carbon has double bond. That is sp2 hybridization. Tell me, sir. This is pyrrole. In pyrrole molecule, planar or non-planar? You have to check it, sir. Carbon, 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 carbon. So each carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization, sp2. Why, sir? Double bond carbon. This is also double bond carbon. This is also double bond carbon. This is also double bond carbon. What about nitrogen? See, sir, this is sp2, sp2. Nitrogen atom undergoes which hybridization? Tell me, sir. Very easy. Nitrogen atom valency 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. single bond with hydrogen, single bond with carbon, single bond with other carbon. Okay, one lone pair is present. Tell me, sir, this lone pair is considered to calculate or not? To calculate hybridization. Tell me, sir, this lone pair is not considered for calculate of hybridization. Why, sir? This lone pair is conjugation with double bond. This lone pair is conjugation with double bond. That's why this lone pair is not considered to calculate hybridization. That means hybridization, tell me, sir, 3 sigma bond. There is no lone pair. That is what, sir? sp2 hybridization. Clear? This is one trick, sir. Lone pair not considered to calculate hybridization when, sir? Yes, lone pair is conjugation with double bond. That is, lone pair and double bond separated by single bond. Then lone pair is not considered to calculate hybridization. All these things are over in previous videos. Once you have to check it. That's why this is sp2, this is sp2. This molecule also sp2 hybridization. That's why it is planar. That means all molecules are planar molecules. So our option is what, sir? All. Clear? Nice. Shall I move second bit? Which molecule is not planar? Which of the following molecule is not planar? First option is second option is third option is fourth option is tell me, sir. Very easy. Benzene, all carbon atoms undergoes sp2. That's why it is planar. Now only I said. What about this one? Pyrrole. This is also all carbon atom and as well as nitrogen atom undergoes sp2 hybridization. That's why planar. Tell me, sir, what about CH3+, carbocation? In carbocation, methyl carbocation, central atom is carbon, so carbon valency 4. Each hydrogen forms one sigma bond. What about this electron, sir? Tell me. Plus charge means what? It loses one electron. That means it out. This electron is not considered. Why, sir? It is plus charge. Carbon has positive charge. That means what? It loses one electron. Tell me, sir, hybridization 3 sigma bond plus 0.0, that is 3. That is what, sir? sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. That's why it is planar. It is planar. What about last one? Tell me, sir. Tell me. Around the carbon, all single bonds are present. That means what? Two single bonds, nothing but 2 hydrogen also present. Tell me, sir. Each carbon, around the carbon, all single bonds are present. That's why all carbons are undergoes dash hybridization, sp3. Single bond carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Tell me, sir, sp3 hybridization, that means what? That molecule comes under non-planar. When, sir, planar, sp or sp2 or both, then only that molecule comes under planar. But in the case of fourth option, all carbon atoms undergoes sp3 hybridization. That's it is non-planar molecule. Covered. So our option is correct. What's the fourth option? Clear? Shall I move next bit? Which of the following molecule is not planar? Which of the following molecule is not planar? First option is CH2 double bond CH2. Second option is CH2 double bond C double bond CH2. Third option is CH2 double bond C double bond O. Fourth option is tell me, sir, which of the following molecule is not planar? Tell me, sir. This molecule undergoes sp2 double bond carbon. Tell me, sir, around the carbon two double bonds are present. Two double bonds are present. That carbon atom also undergoes what, sir? Tell me. sp hybridization. Clear? This is sp. What about oxygen? It is also, tell me, oxygen. Sixth group element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double bond with what, sir? Carbon. So two lone pairs are present. Tell me, sir, hybridization. Hybridization, tell me, for oxygen atom in a multiple bond, one sigma bond and two lone pair, that is sp2. sp2. That means third option molecule is, yes, sir, third option molecule is planar and non-planar. sp2, sp, both are present. That's why it undergoes, yes, sir, planar. It is planar molecule, but we want non-planar molecule. What about fourth option? Tell me, sir, this is a triple bond carbon sp. This is also triple bond. This is also triple bond sp. What about nitrogen? Tell me, sir, nitrogen. Nitrogen, that is 5. It has fifth valency. 5 valency. Tell me, sir, triple bond formed with carbon atom. One lone pair is present. Clear? So hybridization, what, sir? In multiple bond, one is sigma bond. In multiple bond, one is sigma bond. 1 plus 1 lone pair 2, that is sp hybridization. This is sp, this is sp. Tell me, sir, fourth option also dash molecule, planar molecule. But we want non-planar molecules. That means first option or second option should be answer. Tell me, sir, first option C, double bond carbon sp2, adjacent double bonds present around the carbon, that is sp hybridization. This is at what, sir? sp2 hybridization. Tell me, sir, this molecule, what about this one? sp2, sp2. What about sp, sp? That means what? sp2 or sp both. Here also sp2 or sp both. That means both molecules, first option, second molecules also First option molecule, second option molecule also planar? No, sir. It is non-planar. First option is non-planar molecule, but second option is planar molecules. How, sir? How it is possible? This is against our rule. Our rule what, sir? Carbon atom undergo sp or sp2 or both. That molecule comes in planarity. What about sp, sp or both? That means it is planar, but experimental it is non-planar, sir. How it is possible? We have to think it, sir. With your permission, I can stop here. Tomorrow I will see about these two options. These two options molecules generally called as cumulins. What, sir? Cumulins. What are cumulins? Trick to know the planarity of cumulins we will see next video, that is 16. What, sir? Next video we will see? Tell me. Planarity of cumulin molecules. Trick to find planarity of cumulin molecules we will see next class. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.